Let's learn how to check and improve the SEO score of your content with LongShot AI. From your LongShot AI dashboard, navigate to the SEO checker. You can paste your content directly or import it from CMS platforms such as WordPress, Webflow, Google Docs, or directly from your LongShot Docs. For this demonstration, we will import a document directly from LongShot Docs. Select any block and click on Select Block. Here we go. Now, let's enter the topic of the blog, different types of content writing. After typing the topic, click on Check SEO. In just a moment, you'll see the Semantic SEO score displayed. If it's green and shows 81 out of 100, that's a good SEO score. The system also pinpoints opportunities to enhance your content. These opportunities are categorized as low, medium, and high. We recommend implementing at least the high opportunity suggestions to further improve your content's SEO score. Let's try it now. One suggestion is to add the topic, "What is the most popular form of content writing?" Click on Improve Content and wait a moment. While the content is being suggested, decide where you want to integrate it. For example, add "What is the most popular form of content writing?" Write the heading here and give it a proper tag. As you can see, the content is now suggested for this topic. Simply copy the suggested content and paste it. Apply this process to other high opportunity suggestions, prioritizing them. After implementing one of the AI-generated suggestions, it's time to recheck the SEO score. Click on Check SEO again. The previous score was 81, but now it has improved to 84. By adding more high opportunity content, the score can increase even more. And that's how you can enhance the SEO friendliness of your content using LongShot AI in just a few clicks. Thank you for watching.